English vocabulary. Adverbs. An adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Abnormally. Abnormally. In a manner that deviates from what is normal or usual. They were behaving abnormally. His blood pressure was abnormally low. Abruptly. Abruptly. Suddenly and unexpectedly. The film ends rather abruptly. The call ended abruptly. Absently. Absently. In an absent-minded manner, inattentively. He stared absently at his food. She gazed absently into the street. Accidentally. Accidentally. By chance or by mistake. I accidentally knocked a glass over. Police believe the fire was started accidentally. Accusingly. Accusingly. Directing blame or responsibility towards someone or something. The guest stared accusingly at Reuben. She glared at him accusingly. Actually. Actually. As the truth or facts of a situation. So what actually happened? It's unclear what actually happened that night. Adventurously. Adventurously. In a way that shows you are willing to try new or difficult things. We should all try and eat more adventurously. He believes in living adventurously. Adversely. Adversely. In a way that is bad or harmful. A lot of companies have been adversely affected by the recession. Increases in the cost of housing will affect some families adversely. Afterwards. Afterwards. At a later or future time, subsequently. The offender was arrested shortly afterwards. We agreed on a price, but afterwards they wanted more. Almost. Almost. Not quite, very nearly. We're almost there. The work is almost done. Always. Always. At all times, on all occasions. It's always cold in this room. She always spells my name wrong. Amazingly. Amazingly. In a way that causes great surprise or wonder. Amazingly, the book took only 6 days to write. The food was amazingly good. Angrily. Angrily. In a manner resulting from her betraying anger. He spoke angrily about the condition of the poor in the city. He angrily denied the accusation. Anxiously. Anxiously. In a manner resulting from or revealing anxiety. She paced from room to room anxiously. We waited anxiously by the phone. Arrogantly. Arrogantly. In a manner resulting from or revealing an exaggerated sense of one's own importance or abilities. The Prime Minister arrogantly dismissed such concerns. He's a selfish and arrogantly self-righteous man. Pop quiz. This word means in a way that is bad or harmful. Is it A. Anxiously, B. Adversely, C. Abruptly, or D, none of the above? The answer is B, adversely. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.